Ever been unsure if you comply with the regulations that apply to commercial drones? The challenging reality for remote pilots and their manager is that non-compliance could mean sanctions, penalties, or worse. But now there's a quick and simple solution. There's a new, innovative smartphone app that will steer you through the compliance maze. ADMS provides a clear, intuitive solution on your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or PC. Everything you need, right at your fingertips. Before every flight, pilots are steered through site surveys and risk assessments and given immediate clear-to-fly status updates prior to takeoff. The app captures all the relevant safety data, plus pilot currency, maintenance records, and much more, before promptly making it all available to the compliance manager for evaluation. When it comes to renewing an operational authorization with the Civil Aviation Authority, it's never been so straightforward. The process is streamlined so that all the records needed can be produced at the click of a button. So, why wait? Make your life easier today. No more spreadsheets, notes, or pulling records from multiple sources. Talk to Quote for Drones about ADMS now to find out more about how it could help you. This powerful tool can transform the way you navigate drone regulations. Start your journey to uncomplicated, efficient operations now.